From there, we'll go carry you go one beautiful package them we will don't put together for you when they come back.
My name is Modupe Oluwa Balogun. I started chicken business last year, 2013. Now Lauren then they help us bring the chicken. The work no hard though, but it hard small. When they help us bring them, we go pack them from outside to inside. And I hard work. All the small wahala with the face, now from customers. When they come like that, say, make we help them do chicken. Some people go come talk to you anyhow, so that you go want answer them. But as they talk, say, customer is always right. You don't fit do anything now. The money we take start no plenty, but we don't make them. We don't make pass them. Papa God there shall they bless us. The advice what I get for those where they for house when they do anything, I say if you they do this kind of work, you must to sabi endure. You not go lazy, because if you do this work, later it will come big. Even you say will come surprise, say this small work now don't big like this. And the advice what I get be that. The money what I don't see from this chicken business, I don't use and do better thing. Where be say if you self see him, you go talk say this woman don't right. I don't do better thing where be say I start my own business. I they save, I they always save. You know if you do this business, make you regret.
Orúkọ mi Modupe Oluwa Balogun. Iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ mi ẹ̀dìẹ ni mò ń tà. Ẹ̀ ń wò mí lórí Wazobia television.